Hey you guys, it's Anna Gale with the Joy Project, and this is just a quick tutorial of how to do the painting for the month of October. If you got your Joy Project in the mail, what it comes with is all the supplies that you need to complete your structured art activity. 12 paints, 12 tubes of paint. More than enough to do this art project, and then you'll have some left over. An example of what it can look like when you're done, and gives you a good idea of the colors to use. A paint palette, 2 paintbrushes, and then the best part is that there is a paint outline on the canvas. Okay, and this is a pre-wrapped canvas, so you can just hang it up on the wall when you're done. You don't have to like stretch it afterwards. And so I want to talk about the details of what you're going to be painting. There are gradients in the sky. There's a sunset, there are different mountains, and then there's a lot of lettering. Okay, and this is Magic Happens When a Soul Falls in Love with Dreams. Now you have a few different options. You can choose to just do the landscape, and then what you're going to end up with is no lettering. I don't recommend painting over the lettering and then trying to go back through and freehand the lettering. You could also just do Magic Happens and leave out this part, but I'm partial to the entire quote. So you will paint around the lettering, and if you'll notice, I'm about halfway done or a little more, and I haven't even done the lettering at all. What I have done is just go around the lettering. And I'm not super happy with the colors of the mountains, but you know, when you do a painting, a full painting, you will be doing a undercoat, and then you're going to do an overcoat. And so that will help you get used to how the paint goes on the canvas and what colors you want to use, and you get to go over it and fix it. But you know, when you get to a place where things aren't right, let it dry before you try to go over it. Also remember, if your paint starts to dry out, then you need to just add a little water to it, and that helps it smooth on a little better. Okay, so the Magic Happens sky part, I used some yellow ochre, some lemon yellow, and some white. My paint palettes are disgusting. But I let them dry, and I keep them so that when I go back to it and I need to nail a color, then I have a reference of what that color needs to look like, right? And so in the painting for the sky, I used lemon yellow, yellow ochre, white, and actually a little bit of this vermilion, orangey red color. Okay, and then for the mountain ranges, I used a purple, and I mixed this blue and this red, and then I actually added a little bit of this blue to it also, and that gave me a really great deep purple that I just really loved. I'm still trying to nail that indigo color, and so that's one of the things I'm going to go back over. I like that I've got a green here, but I want it to be more of a blue-green, so I'm going to change that a little bit. And so you'll see my final product on YouTube at the end of the long video, but then also on Instagram I will post a picture of my final product. And happy painting to you. Please take the time to enjoy doing your artwork, and if you have any questions, reach out to me. That's why I'm here. I'm happy to help. Happy painting. Thank you.